Designing in 3D saves you time, facilitates better product visualization, and gives the freedom to clearly communicate your designs. But at the end of the day, you still need to convey the design idea to the shop floor. Solid Edge understands that users must still create production drawings, so it has made this process quick and painless as possible by providing some fantastic drawing productivity tools. With the wide array of tools available in Solid Edge, you can significantly reduce the amount of time spent creating and annotating drawings, leaving more time to concentrate on the designs and getting them to manufacturing faster, all this using a consistent and easy-to-use interface. We'll show you how. Automatic view placement is just the beginning of the drawing creation process in Solid Edge. Isometric views can be placed with ease, and you can shade them using different shading styles. Further, this particular design requires an auxiliary view, so you can detail the features on the angled face. As you see, Solid Edge provides the flexibility to show just the required portion on the part by way of cropping. You can place the view at a convenient location by breaking the alignment by simply selecting this option from the context menu and then dragging the view to a new place. When the part was created, dimensions were added on the 3D model. These can be reused to save time. Besides driving dimensions that were placed directly on the model, PMI or other information on the model can be easily displayed on the drawing. Further, additional dimensions can be added using the Smart Dimension tool. More on Smart Dimensions in a separate video. Overlapping dimension elements can be rectified then and there without the hassle of lengthy workflows that change global settings. You can drag handles that appear on the various dimension elements and drag them to adjust their placement and appearance. Dragging handles allows me to adjust text placement, extension lines adjustment, creating and moving jogs on dimension lines, and flipping arrow sides, in addition to changing the arrowheads instantly. Center marks can be created instantly as well. You have the freedom to create a dimension axis or specify an existing one. The holes are then aligned to the dimension axis. Once the style of a dimension and any tolerance information has been set, for example, a prefix or suffix, you can use the Copy Attributes tool to quickly paste this style to other existing dimensions. This not only saves you time, but also means less amount of trouble and lesser picks. Perhaps a detail view might be needed to show some small features. Drawing a circle defines the view, and a little mouse scroll lets you change the scale on the fly. The detail view can be modified later by simply dragging the circle around into a new position. Like everything in Solid Edge, the preview updates dynamically, so you know exactly what you are going to get. Dimensions can be transferred from the parent view to the detail view, where they rightly belong. You can do this by simply dragging the dimension from the parent or main view onto the detail view. Remember that you are actually dimensioning here from the model, so the dimensions do not scale up in the detail. Solid Edge takes care of that. This tool makes such a difference that it's worth seeing again. Now the drawing has really started to take shape. However, no drawing is complete without drawing notes. A unique feature of Solid Edge is Smart Notes, called Technical Requirements. Watch as I create a list of 3, which are numbered automatically. Next, you can place a reference to one of the notes in a callout. Solid Edge remembers these references. Later, you may need to modify the content or sequence of the notes, and Solid Edge intelligently takes care of the numbering. Finally, let's take a brief look at assembly drawings. Solid Edge again has some great productivity tools to get to the finished results faster than ever before. You can produce very detailed drawings from assemblies including isometric section views, alternate position views showing mechanism movement, or one of the best ways to clarify how an assembly goes together, the exploded view. I just need to set an automatic exploded view in the assembly model and save it as a configuration. Solid Edge places the exploded view in the drawing with a single click. Simple and fast. No exploded view is complete without a bill of materials and balloons. The BOM table can be placed with several choices of information that you want to show. For balloons, Solid Edge has yet another labor-saving device. Just check the option for balloons on the command bar. Job done. You can move around the balloons without losing the attachments or alignment. A little tidying up and the drawing is done. Fast. With this video, you have discovered that Solid Edge's drawing productivity tools are focused on reducing drawing production time, resulting in faster time to market.